Hi everyone, Tofata here from Lisicarites and welcome to another video. Today we're talking all things laundry. Not my favorite task. But I'm like, if the people want to know, I will explain how to do laundry in Setswana so you can describe it and impress someone more than just being impressed by the process of doing laundry, if you get what I'm saying. So remember to like, share, do all the good things with this video. And hopefully I can get some guys doing the laundry. Okay, maybe that's too political. Let's keep it cute. How do you say I'm gonna do laundry? Katswa is to wash. Clothes. Diaparo. Diaparo is clothes. Katswa diaparo means I'm washing clothes. But another way that we say you're washing laundry is katswa washing, which is obviously borrowed from the English word for washing, which means I am washing the washing of the laundry. Washini. Washini is laundry. So, now, growing up, I didn't grow up with a washing machine. So the whole task of washing clothes or doing your laundry was done in a bathtub. So you would get water, and if the water, there was plumbing, you would get water from the tap. But otherwise, you would go to the community tap, go get water, and come put it in the bathtub and do your laundry. So that's how I grew up. Oh yeah, hohameti means you're going to get water. Hohameti, you get water. Watela mo bateng. Otela mo bateng. Otela metsi mo bateng. You pour the water into the bathtub. Yeah? O gameti, you go get water. O atela mo bateng, you pour it into the bathtub before you get started. And then obviously you're sorting it into the darks and the whites. We won't get into that. Then you actually do the washing. Katswa. Katswa dilwana. Katswa dikobo, which is blankets. Katswa. Katswa is to wash. So katswa, then you add whatever you're washing. So dikobo were the best thing because you would spend, 30 minutes with your feet in the bathtub, chomping on them, agitating them with your feet. That's what you would do. So, katswa, katswa. Then you would wring out the clothes. To wring out, chamola. Chamola means wring out, wring out. Then you would do another, soap, molora, soap session with the soap. Katswa ka molora means wash with soap, then wring out again. Then you would rinse with just water. Tsukotsa. Tsukotsa. That means rinse. So you'd have your clothes back in, or the blankets, and you would be just stomping your feet to get rid of the soap. Then you would hamola again, wring, before you add fabric softener. Now, having lived in Botswana for a lot of my time, there's actually no word for fabric softener. And there's a brand called Stay Soft, which other people pronounce Star Soft, which every point of using fabric softener, even if you're not using that brand, that's how people describe using fabric softener. So tela Star Soft, tela Stay Soft means pour the fabric softener, whichever brand, doesn't matter. And then you would, use that. Then chamola again, wring out. Then you go hang it outside. Aneja. Aneja. That means to hang so that it dries. Hang so it dries. And then after that, when they're dry, ho'oma is to dry. So ha dilwana, diomile, wa di menaganya. when the clothes are dry, you fold them. Fold, menaganya. Menaganya. That is to fold. So, ga dilwana di omile, wa di menaganya. When the clothes are dry, you fold them. Those are the things that you fold. Some you need to iron. Yes. And classic ironing involved, I hope I can put a picture here of a metal iron triangle thing that you would put on the stove to heat up and then iron. Back in the day. Back in the day, you would actually get coal from your fire and put it, I'll try and put a picture here, put it inside the iron and use the heat from the coal to iron. And then you became modern and used a stovetop one. And then, yeah, the electric one. But the whole point of ironing is ho sidila, ho khatisa. Ho sidila is like to massage. I guess you are massaging the clothes with the hot implement called an iron. Aini. I don't think it exists in another word. But you would sidila, which is massage them straight, I guess, or hochatisa, which is to press down with heat. Chatisa is to iron. So either your clothes would be menaganya, which is to the verb to fold, or chatisa, which is to iron. So now you know how to describe doing laundry. Hope you find it exciting because I find it a boring chore. But here we are. Hope you learned some vocabulary. Until next time, Rosiame.